So I'm back to the editor. I'm gonna hide the terminal and we'll focus on the mixin again. Like I said, these are definitions in the object that we can extend the component. So we can add here methods like the following. I'm going to switch that logic ring here to be part of a method. And this is going to be the create monitor method. So let's take this logic here and we'll keep the event listeners in there like so. We want also to have a destroyed lifecycle hook here, and as you probably guessed, what we want to do when we create the component, when the component gets created, we want to create monitor. We want to call that method, and likewise here we want to destroy it. And the way we do that is we want to create another method here, destroy monitor, and this method will do a couple things. It will check first that we have a monitor there, and if we do, we want to stop it. Then, just to be sure, we'll assign an empty object here. It could be also a null, or we could delete the entire key, but I'll leave it at that. So let's see what happens now with our application. I'm going to reload the whole thing, and we're getting an error here. Create monitor is not defined. Yes, my bad. I should be using the this dot notation here so we can access those methods. Awesome. So the app reloaded and we now have this my alias one is up message. So what happens if I kill this? I'm killing the service, and then you'll see how it went down. But then we're not expecting the alias one is up anymore. So let's turn it back on, and then the message comes back as in the first place. Alright, so what if I remove this? Then we should expect not to see more messages down here. Alright, after a little while we can see we're not seeing any more messages, but if I created a new monitor, we're back on and there are no my alias one messages anymore. So with that we can tell that these are working fine. We are creating the monitor when we need it and destroying it when we don't.